Building off of the interactive graph from part 1 of this lesson, we're going to add customized hover interactions to our buttons to reveal data for a specific year. As you can see in the final experience, when you hover over each year, it reveals a new set of data. Let's select the 2022 button group and navigate to the Interact tab. You'll notice that since we chose Use Group as trigger in a previous step, a few interactions have already been automatically applied. We are going to edit these interactions to create our own custom effects. Let's start by editing the existing onHovered interaction by clicking the down arrow next to the interaction. For the action, we'll use Change Target State, and from the list below, make sure the 2022 button group is selected. From the drop-down, make sure to choose State 1 as the target state. Also, we'll want to deselect Lock State and click Update to save our changes. The next thing we'll want to do is update our interactions for the bars in our chart. Click the down arrow next to the on-click interaction to change the trigger to hover. For this on-hover interaction, we'll change the target state to the bars group. Select State 1 as the target state and toggle off Lock State before clicking Update. Now try running through the same process for the 2021 button. This time around, make sure to select State 2 when changing the target state of the bars group. Once you've finished, go ahead and look at the preview to see if your interactions work as intended. If you have any questions on creating interactive charts like this, or would like to explore some of our other chart making options, please feel free to reach out in the chat widget and we'll be happy to help.